so we've got a fun unboxing today from the Royal Mail. Feels like a book. It's a little squishy. We're going with a book. All right, and it should be aha. It is the new Peter Frankopan book, British scholar, but it is the Waterstone exclusive book. And it was so beautiful that I thought I would share it with you. So, The Earth Transformed, an Untold History. It is about climate change and how it has shaped our lives, how it has shaped humanity lives. One reviewer I saw online called it a chubby book. And I'd say, yeah, it's a good, let's see here, how many pages? 695 and some extra. But you'll notice, besides it being really chubby, we also have signature. Ooh, and the exclusive end papers signed by the author. And you can see the back side of the Sharpie there, so that's fun. And we've got the end papers on this side, a little bit different. And you'll notice that it has a sprayed edge. Look how beautiful that is. And the edges here are just painted in green. So it is the signed exclusive edition, and there is a ribbon in here somewhere, of course, to mark your pages, but a fitting color for a book on climate and nature and how it has changed civilization, shaped humanity over the last apparently 4.5 billion years to today. So if you get a chance, check it out. I'll list the website and the link below for the Waterstone exclusive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Happy reading.